Go carpet cleaning in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Testimonials. Here at Go Carpet Cleaning, we use natural cleaning products that can take on any stain, even the difficult ones. With our environmentally friendly products, your house will smell fresh with no chemical odor or residue left behind. Plus, these products are safe for you and your family pets. For years, we've been cleaning carpets in homes across Sugar Hill, and have always put customer satisfaction first. Don't just take our word for it, listen to what our happy customers have to say.
Gal was very professional. Arrived on time and was very fair with his price. I am very impressed with his quality of work and how clean my carpets are. Would definitely use again and recommend to anyone needing carpet cleaning.
Wow, the difference! They worked on the stains until they were all gone.
Our cleaners are experienced in hot water extraction cleaning, which utilizes no harsh chemicals, and is a gentle way of getting rid of carpet stains by thoroughly cleaning the fibers. We make sure there is not an excessive amount of water left behind in your carpet. Excess amounts of water can spread diseases, and provide more opportunities for germs to grow, leaving you right back where you started. Now it's time to learn more about Sugar Hill. Sugar Hill City is located in Gwinnett County, Georgia. The city is also within the Atlanta metropolitan area. It was incorporated as the town of Sugar Hill in 1939, and later named a city in 1975. The name was coined from an incident where a sugar shipment spilled in the area, and people started referring to it as Sugar Hill. Need help with your carpets or any of our other services? We would love to assist you. So, if you live in, or near Sugar Hill, please don't hesitate to contact us. Visit our website www.gocarpet-cleaning-services/sugar-hill-ga or call us at 678-818-5698.